Good morning, beautiful people. How are we doing? Kia ora Twitch, kia ora Kick. What is up, YouTube? Good morning, we are back once again. Hey, old postcard, that's a cool emote. Is that a fish? I like it, I like it. Hey, brother, stupid Flanders. This is what we've been up to. Let's take away that ticks right there. Here we go. I'm sorry I'm late. I had to go and sort out some birthday things, but also I was watching an unhealthy amount of the burnt peanut. If you haven't watched him, I suggest going to watch him because he is funny. He is funny as, bro. Let me just go and get the vice. And then we can carry on yarning and then we can get into some wood. Alrighty. Which way are we going today? I'm just wondering how we're going to set it today. We should be okay this week. How are we doing, guys? Hope you have all been beautiful and well. Bro, how funny is Peanut, eh, bro? Bro, I've been, saying good night to my kids the way he does. Good night. Good night. Yeah. Good night. Good night. Yeah, bro. If you haven't already, man, he's funny, bro. He is genuinely a funny guy. We'll just get our blocks. Good morning, brother Sasori, Sand Village, all the way on the tube. How are you, my friend? Good to see you, brother. Good to see ya. What in a Delta 9? Good morning, everybody. He's all looking well and beautiful. I have acquired the coffee. I have acquired the coffee, ladies and gentlemen. Yo, what's up, Skiv Jar? Crossing these days. Have a good day, brother. Yo, Skiv, thank you very much for being here, my brother, on the kick stream. If you do have to go out and have a beautiful day. Go fucking smash it. And make sure you wipe 3 times if you're second guessing yourself on the second wipe. I have an apple. I have a thumb. To apple. Was only thinking about you yesterday. Seems that I hope it was a nice thinking session. Thank you, FaZe, for the follow. Over on Grove Street. Sorry, chat. I had carbs, so I'm a bit energy levels are. So before we start, I'll just eat my apple, and then we'll get into it, eh? So if you weren't here yesterday, we started molding the head. Yo, brother Ed, thank you for the 46 months, my bro, getting us started for the day. I really hope T1 Galileo too. Yeah, me too, brother. T1 Galileo. The other 3 have kind of chosen, except Ona. I hope Ona chooses between Mondo and Pantheon. First time owner. Oh, owner playing Mundo for the first time in Worlds, bro. My favorite moment. 4 years, bro. Fucking hell. That is a long time, my bro. A bloody long time, brother. But I appreciate you always for sticking around too, my bro. And everyone else too that's here. Where's my water? Mr. Ruxpin. Yo, thank you very much for the Optimus Prime, brother. Oh, this apple's okay. Yeah. I thumbed it, that's why it's got a hole up the top. Wouldn't want to be anywhere else, so you would literally shit yourself where you sit. Nah, I'm joking. That is love right there, if you stick around and you don't want to be anyone else. I love you, stupid Flanders. Someone get that man a bucket. Joking, bro, joking. Need banana for scale. One thing about bananas, bro, I never eat them front on in public because you never know, bro. Someone might be looking and then they go. Always eat a banana on the side, chat. Just for safety. For safety purposes, my League of Legends. Thanks for the smiles. Hey, thank you for the $10, brother. Where's the holidays for you already? You're lucky. Yeah, we still got a couple more weeks of school for our kids here. I know summer holidays takes quite a long time too, eh? But thank you very much, brother. I appreciate you. You could carve warships for sure. Just call me Polynesian Floki, my bro. I would try. I got given the opportunity to be a part of a group to carve a canoe, but I couldn't leave my family. It's snowing here. Where's here, brother? Yo, brother Flanders, I'm always here if you want to have a yarn, my bro. Always, brother. Always. Have you tried a crimson apple? No. Crimson apple. That sounds Last of Us vibes. It's giving Last of Us vibes. Alright. Oh, you're in Canada, my bro. Yeah, more than a Stony. How are you, my friend? Cat set on keyboard. I hope you're having a wonderful day too. I ate a banana and make eye contact doing it because I'm a psycho. W man. Hey, what's up, Asteroid Killer? Welcome on through, my friend. Sorry, Chad, I've just been having a really good week with you guys, eh? Just been enjoying it a lot. Like, I always enjoy it, but this week, man, has been extra fun. Like, real fun, man. Is this a traditional art form? Correct, my brother. You are very truly correct. I hope everyone's been enjoying the streams over the week, from the carving to the reading as well. We will most likely have a reading stream tonight, and if I'm feeling a bit zesty, maybe even tomorrow as well. On Monday, ladies and gentlemen, I am thinking of uploading the first episode to the Carve It Up podcast. Okay? And to those that'll be interested, Carve It Up podcast is basically just to connect with everyone from the community, whether you're a viewer, whether you're a streamer, whether you're a lurker as well. I'm keen to connect with you all through this podcast. Why am I doing it? Just for fun. That's all it's for. Where's this from? So this is called a tiki. T-I-K-I is how you spell it, my brother. So these are one of the traditional forms that we have in our culture, the Maori culture, the indigenous people of Aotearoa, otherwise known as New Zealand. So the tiki is a representation of fertility, but also can represent an ancestor. It is also the mark of the parent as well. You see a lot of parents wear tiki to signify that they have children. And we also name them after our ancestors as well, my brother. Are you going to name yours? What, this one? Nah. You have to have Oh, you have to have fun. Yeah, brother. Always. Like with this particular form of wood carving, my bro, it's been a part of my culture for a number of generations. I got lucky, my bro. I found my calling at like 12 years old. And I was through my uncle being the catalyst for me pursuing this. Because he was a wood carver as well, or Whakairo carver. So he did traditional Maori wood carving as well. And then eventually, one Friday we had classes outside of the normal school curriculum, and this was one of them. And that's kind of where the story all began, pretty much. You could, the only way for it to represent someone is they are not allowed to be alive. So within Whakairo, we don't carve anyone that's alive. We only carve our ancestors, and obviously our ancestors are well and truly gone. I found you through a streamer named Binks. Hey, shout out to Ellie. I appreciate her so much, man. Got a lot of time for Ellie. I've known her since BBMC days. She's real cool. She's real cool. Yeah, I've always had a lot of respect for her in and out of the city. And genuinely, I love seeing her succeed. She's cool as bro. How is she? I know she's on Kick majority of the time these days. I'm on Kick too, but you know, I'm not as good as them. I'm not as good as them, brother. BBMC. Oh, this is a No Pixel. Yeah, I played a No Pixel as well. I was a hang around for Junior. Junior meets. Peep those crocs. Yeah, brother. I carve and comfort. You were Bondi. Not so much. I didn't make it to patch level. I ended up having to leave because a little bit of OOC was getting to me, but also some other OOC priorities needed my attention more, aka my wedding. Hence the reason why I couldn't really commit so much. Yeah, so the bro Kifs, he plays Junior, and we kind of mixed our character's heritage together, and he's my character's cousin. So he sometimes catches up with him in Prodigy, and then he'll go back to No Pixel and catch up with Rue. I don't have the time I used to be on RP that much these days. Like, I try and jump in when I can. But yeah, shout out to Ellie. Binks. Okay. Yeah, I'm not even sure if I'm gonna keep this one, my bro. Maybe, maybe not. It's still early days, my bro, till I figure out if I want to or not. But she's looking pretty good. Looking really good. So basically all we have to do on this side of the face, as you can see, there isn't really much to do with molding. I watched Trav and Kyle mostly. Oh yeah. Yeah, it's been cool seeing them, seeing all the cards get revealed over the weeks. I used to watch a lot of Francis because he's the one that made me laugh a lot. What in a vibes? Vibe Vixen? What's the biggest thing you've ever made? Been a part of, I will say. So we carved this, the biggest, so I was one of the many that have contributed towards this piece. It's called Te Matatini. Now, it is a stage that is only ever used every 2 years. So majority of this time, this carving stays within storage till it's time for basically the festival, which takes place every 2 years, and it's the largest Maori wood carving in the world. What can I liken it to? I can just get my phone, eh? Because I'm not streaming on TikTok today. I'm capturing footage while I'm carving too. Koi was a character, yeah, bro. Had the honour of doing him a carving too, a couple years back. And I met his wife at PAX. Met his wife at PAX a couple years back. Oh, a couple weeks, sorry. I'm just getting a link to show you guys. So this here is the largest. Why can't I paste it? Hello? So that is the largest Maori wood carving in the world. Let me get it and share it. So to those on YouTube, just copy so write this in TEMATAINI, and that's the biggest stage in the world of carving. Sorry, I forgot I wasn't logged in on my Kick and YouTube on the outside setup. L streamer. So that took a maximum of 30 people, and we only had 6 months. Non-negotiable. No, thank you, Snare Drum. Okay, with this face too, Now that we've got that set, what we need to do is just flatten out this mouth a little bit. Now I've got to figure out which way we're going to go. Not that way. Felt that straight away. Here we go. So I just got to flatten out this mouth a little bit. Do you sell your creations? Yes I do. I have 3 on me right now. These audios can be in any specific. Majority of the time, brother, I'm using native timber, but you know, the odd pine tree might make an appearance. The odd pine tree might make an appearance as well. Okay. So this is what I'll do. I just got to go inside, but I'll post another picture. I got to go inside because I'm not logged in outside. I won't be long. I'm so sorry. I just want to show you these just to be nice. So that second link I shared is the hardest carving I ever did as a student. Yo, what up, Daniel, all the way from Melbourne? Hey, brother. What's your favourite wood to work with? Anything I don't have to pay for, my brother. Any timber I don't have to pay for, my bro? It is the best. Why are you listening to... this is Bilgewater's theme song. I just play game music to be safe because we're streaming on YouTube as well, and with YouTube they're quite strict with their what kind of music you play and all that. And I don't want to balk the VOD, you know. That's flat. Hey, what up, Junior Ramen? It has been a while, my bro. How you been? This looks insanely difficult. Yeah, I'll be honest, brother. After a while, my bro, you know, it's kind of what anything we do in life, that we dedicate our time to. The more you do it, the easier it becomes. And not trying to be that guy, but this is one of the more simpler molds, my bro. So all I'm doing is just flattening this out to get an angle. So yeah, it's one of our more simpler molds that we do. How you been, Junior? Watching all the way from the UK. Hey, my brother. Hope all is well in the UK, my bro. I know it's a bit late for you, but appreciate you for being here, my bro. Oh, I meant the link you sent. Oh, yeah, so that treasure box, brother, I did that as a student and it took me 4 months. The reason why it took me 4 months is because our tutor at the time had stopped teaching us because he had to go off and do another project. But for me, and the way I am as a human being, brother, I am a stubborn bull. And the other students in my intake had already found them another tutor to help them. But I decided to, bite the bullet and try and do it on my own. And I did, and it took me 4 months. And I gained the respect of a lot of tutors for doing that. Not like surrendering straight away. I was like, fuck it, I'm gonna try. I'm gonna try and send it. I hated giving in, bro. Was not a fan of giving in straight away. I was like, at least try before you ask, kind of thing. That was always my thing. Like, genuinely, I never liked giving in. Been working on my whakapapa. Oh, beautiful, my bro. Hope that journey has been well, brother. Alright, so what we're going to do now, we're going to do the other side, okay? I might have to change the voice around here. So we're just gonna do this side of the face now, just like how we did the other one. So all we used was a V chisel, okay? Pretty much just used the V chisel. So the first cut we made was here. Next cut we made was there. And that was pretty much it. All we had to do was dig all of this out, just like this side here. Those are the only cuts that we had to make. 1, 2. Dig all of that out. Next cut was nothing. Or like along the ridge here. So this ridge here, that was the third cut. So basically we only have to do 1, 2, 3. And the rest is digging this out, leveling this, and making sure this is the highest point of our face for now. So pretty straightforward, chill as. So let's run it, eh? Alright. Are we ready? Have an idea if you're interested, brother, if you're busy, brother. I'll show you the 3 pieces that I have. I know there's one guy that wants to buy one of them, but I haven't received an email from him yet. From a fire, Waikato Marae. Oh, yeah, been trying to document it all again. Oh, beautiful, my bro. That's on. Alright, so you can kind of see the first cuts that we've made. So everything within these 2 cuts needs to be dropped down on similar level to the other side, okay? Hope the project goes well, my bro. Oh, you've got a front row seat, my brother. So, but if you have to go, by all means, you have a good day. If you have to go, feel free to, don't feel bad. It's all good. I know some people feel bad when they have to go. But don't have to be. Don't be silly. Alright? Next time you come back, there'll be a lot done on it. Well, where are we? Just watched this small video of you back in the lockdown days. Oh, cheer, my brother. Encouraging words. I love how you just drop. Literally logged in just to make sure I can comment. Oh, welcome in, head movement or heady movement. I appreciate you, brother. Too kind, my friend. Too kind. Welcome to the stream, my bro. As always, pretty much what I want this place to be is a nice, comfortable place for everyone on the internet. Your very own cheeky corner to come chill out. Watch me touch wood. I don't get a sore back anymore, so that's a W. I do morning stretches and elevate my setup. But yeah, by all means, brother, enjoy the stream. And that's to everyone else that's tuning in too. This is what we might have to do, okay? For the safety of the timber. Watching from the US, kia ora, my bro. For the safety of the timber, we'll move it in a little. There you go. Got our block underneath. Touch wood, my friend. Touch wood. We only touch wood in the morning in this stream. It is currently 10:23 AM. Don't mind me, chat, I might be double dipping a little bit. I'm recording whilst streaming as well for the YouTube. How is Reddit, my bro? I always got told stay away from Reddit, so I never really jumped on. Today's broadcast is just going to be a shit ton of League of Legends music, okay? 2 PM here, but a day behind. Such a wild world, this guy is touching wood in the future. Hey! Slap wood. Such a sensational yet keeping within the rules way of doing it, eh? Treasure box, look, how big was it? So that box I did is Reddit worse than the League of Legends community. So the box is about that long. So, fuck, I don't know. Yeah, so that treasure box I shared, chat, was about, yeah, maybe that long. And like, not so wide either. But I'm genuinely one of my favorite pieces that I ever did. Alright, we ready, legends? So what we're gonna do now so we just check cut along here. All we have to do now is cut all this out. Just cut all of that out so we can level it down. Well, let's give you a goddamn demonstration now, chat. Here you go now. Cut down. Cut down. He's reducing a little. This is the goddamn grain change. Alright, little hiccup here, grain changing. So all you have to do, let's just come up the top a little bit. So we're going against right now, okay? So this is why we want to be really, really careful what we get up to. Okay. So what we'll do, just need to get a V. Drop it down that way. She's stubborn. Now, one thing we want to make sure of, we do not go deeper than the other side. I mean, we can, but you know, let's try not to. That's the point. So you can see with the cut too, the cheek is slightly higher than the other side, but there's enough timber there for us to take it out. So we should be good. Hey Tara! Alright, let's rock and roll. Okay, we're going to have to come back this way a little bit. Oh, bugger. You bugger. Okay. Thinking cap. The price of having beautiful grain. Sometimes the beautiful grain brings problems, but they are problems we can overcome, so it's okay. Are you a big League of Legends player? No, I do play it, but I'm not a big player. I just got the bug again from watching Worlds. Okay, this is what we're going to do now. I just have to turn it around so I can get it from another angle. That's a cool mallet. Appreciate you, brother. Hello from Guatemala. Kia ora, brother. How are you? How's it over in your part of the world, my brother? Alright. Yeah, so sometimes, yeah, you know, it presents its challenges, kind of thing. But that's the price sometimes when, you know, there's a beautiful grain on the timber. It normally means the timber itself is going to be a headache too. But it's all good, you know, it's not hard to overcome. We'll be fine. We will be all good. Hope everyone is enjoying the stream today. Thank you very much to all those on Twitch, YouTube and Kick today for tuning in. Yeah, no TikTok today. I just wanted to capture some footage for the YouTube channel and the socials. Cheeky time lapse. Alright, let's go. So yeah, our headache is all along this side here because of the grain change, okay? Thank you very much, Otter Raft, for the Optimus Prime. Bro, how cute are otters, eh? They are very cute, man. Righty. Yeah, she's gonna be a hard one. But that's the beauty of Whakairo or wood carving in general. Problem solving. Kia ora from the other side. Hey, what up, Flanders? Appreciate you for going over to the tube, my brother. Stubborn timber. Stubborn timber. But lucky enough, I'm much more stubborn. So who's really the winner here? Me or the timber? Well, we'll soon find out. Lucky for us, chat, we are doing something simple with how shiitake mushrooms, the grain is on this other side of the face. Hi Brox, how are you, my brother? I am doing good, my brother. Doing good. Might be a little bit up right now, but that's because I had carbs. Muy bad, muy bad. Arr. Anyone seen that new Predator movie, chat? Worth going to check out? Alrighty. Alrighty, mate. Requires a little bit of concentration. I'll be with you shortly, ladies and gentlemen. Trying to get it somewhat clean. Like I said though, I am much more stubborn. So yeah, the timber has lost this battle today. Stubbornness plus patience equals we'll get through it. This is cool. I know nothing about crafting like this, but you're doing a great job. Thank you, brother. So what I do, my bro, is Whakairo. Maori wood carving, my bro. Okay, what's going on here? So this is more of a cultural form of Whakairo for me, because it's been a part of my culture for such a long time, through many generations as well. And it was a way to tell our myth stories and legends too. We didn't have a written language, brother. It was more face to face. That's kind of how our people roll back in the day. I mean, even to this day, we still do too. Like, I'm the same. I'd rather have a yarn with someone face to face. Feels more genuine. This needs to be lower. Damn. Okay. All right. So yeah, on this very inside here, it's a bit brittle, eh? Just a bit, but you know, it's not enough to stop us in our tracks, kind of thing. So we'll be all good. All we need to do is just yeah, carry on. We'll be sweet. Okay. Going against the grain, so we gotta change our angle, okay? Just go down. So what we have to do is just get the brows on the same level. Don't want them to be uneven like you know, that one auntie that does too much Botox, kind of like that. Now I need to find a pencil. Oh my days! Hoobie! With the 10 bomb in before you subbed yourself as well. Big Hoobs with the 10 bomb. If you got a gifted sub from the brother Hoobie, make sure you give the brother a freaking thank you. I almost said the F word, sorry. Thank you very much, brother. Make sure you say thank you, or you glaze the bro willingly, openly, and if you want physically, it's up to you, but not in the chat. Thank you very much, brother. Love watching your designs unfold. Keep up the amazing work. Thank you very much, brother Justin. All the way on YouTube, my bro. Thank you for the $10. Maybe I did a register. No, I did see it, my bro. Yes, I said thank you for that too. Thank you, brother Hoobie. Where you from, my brother? Chat, I may have lost pencil 15. Let me just check. This is not good. Yeah, I may have lost pencil 15. 1 moment. Not good, chat. Not good. We lost pencil 15. Hey, thank you for saying thank you to the brother. Are you from Vermont, my bro? Kia ora, brother. Fuck, I actually lost it, eh? Gah. Alright, I gotta be a weirdo and use the office pen. Ew, office pen. Thank you very much, brother. Howdy, Brick Daddy. How you doing, my bro? How are we? How are we? Hope we are healthy and looking after ourselves. One moment. Oh, this feels so rude using an office pen. So I'm just making sure we get everything looking the same. This comes down to angles too, chat. It's always the little things that always stick out, end up being the biggest thing sticking out. But yeah, I was talking about the timber, by the way. George's humour is Hicks. Someone get this man a bottle of water so he can squeeze it up his pants to unstick the sack from his leg. Or just step to the side. Alright, gentlemen. Seems like there's a lot of people here in humid places. Alright, stand up, stand up. Stand up, men. Men, ladies, it's alright, you can sit down. Men, I need you to rise. Stand up, men. Come on. I need you to rise now. Not because of this, but come on, stand up. Stand up with me, come on. Half time, half time. Ready? Are we ready? Stand up, men. I'll wait for you. 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 7.5, 7 3/4. Wait, is that smaller? I have no idea. Anyway, stand up, men. Alright, there we go. Why are we standing? In this moment, men that may reside in humid places. Alright, clip this if you want. Stand up, men. Here we go. This is for all the brothers in the hot places. Step to the side. Squat to the side, you know, squat that way. Up. Lean that way. We're going to step forward. Step to the side. Lean that way. Should start to feel it unsticking. Step forward. Step to the side. Going to lean that way too. You have successfully unstuck on both sides. Well done. Okay. Right, men. If you're going to sit back down, make sure your legs are wider. Well done, legends. Sit down now. And watch you get unstuck in mere minutes. You know, Beats, thank you for the Optimus Prime, my bro. Thank you. You're welcome. One must always unstuck, otherwise you are emphasizing the moose's knuckle, alright? Even if you're inside. No one wants you to go outside and see you hoofing in public, okay? Have a good one. Well done, legends. At ease. Shit, we might have to put that on the old Instagram. We will call it the Unstuck Hour. Okay, we'll only ever do it in summer. It's summer for me, so it's probably winter for you, but we'll still do it. Okay? Clip farming. What happened to our music? It's pretty quick. Well, I feel good after the unstucking we did. That sounds wrong, eh? Let's keep it that way. Okay, it should be good to turn it back around now. You've always wanted to go to NZ. The beauty of it, brother, it is here for you whenever you are ready. My only warning to you, if you are going to drive here, there is only one thing I ask of you, is that you use your indicators. It's not just people that visit the country, it's old people, it's young people, it's people in their mid-30s. I don't like people that don't use the indicators. So you can kind of see how shit the grain is, how that chunk just come off there. Alright chat, we've been live for about an hour now. The next hour, we unstuck again, okay? Very humble is awesome. Thank you for being you, brother. Hey, thank you for being here too, my brother, and to everyone that is tuning in today as well. Someone in my Instagram post yesterday tried to have a go at someone in the comments. So the guy that genuinely said it was just being nice, like we made the right guy famous kind of thing. We all know that kind of comment, eh? And then this guy in the photo started going after him like you didn't do shit for him, it was all him. And I stepped in to tell him, actually it wasn't all me. Without everyone here who supports me, there'd be no me. I wouldn't be where I am today. Yeah, just the way that girl was talking, that I really disliked it, eh? Like trying to arc up on someone in the comments, like, bro, grow up. The fuck? Don't know if he was having a bad day or anything, but let's do better, eh? Jeepers. Otherwise, go outside. Followed you since and thought I'd stop by and say hello. Hey, hello, my brother. Thank you for stopping by, my bro. How you been? How have you been, my friend? Yeah, all in here, chat. The grain's going that way. She's a bit rough, but we'll get there. We'll get there. Cheeky bloody timber, I tell you that much. So all that means is that we have to carve downward, okay? That's all it means. It's just unfortunate because, you know, I've got a roll on the mouth that I have to go towards that roll, but I'm still trying to keep it there at the same time. Also, chat, there might be an opportunity to link up with someone in Rotorua who does drifting. Just needs to be flatter this side. So I'm looking at it from this angle, and the depth here, the depth here is not the same as this side. Like I always say, chat, it's always the little things, man. Always. Much better. Happy from Reddit after seeing a video of him and telling him to not donate during the lockdown. Some really wholesome content, brother. Keep it up. Thank you very much. Is it Schmitty? Did I say your name right, my bro? Mr. Schmitty. Thank you very much, my brother. Yeah, that was a very trying time, my bro, for us all, and it felt wrong. I mean, if there was a, you know, not saying there's ever going to be something like that again at the moment, but if there ever was, you know, I'd go back to that. So I'm just marking up the mouth too. Anyone seen their new Super Mario trailer? I just seen it this morning when I was about to start, but I didn't watch it. Here we go. Thanks for being a nice guy. Like I always say, my bro, the world would be a better place if people were less of a cunt. Sorry, it's a normal word here. Sorry, I keep forgetting people from America watch. My bad. Assholes, I'll say that much. Oh, see, look, there's someone and his wife watching. Oh, I'm sorry I said that. Sorry to you and your wife, my bro. Jesus, late in the UK. Are we having a bit of a late night ice cream as well? Me and my wife do that too. We shouldn't be pickish at that time, but you know, we just end up being big backs anyway. Big back, big back. Thank you very much, Blue Dragon, for the Optimus Prime. That used to be a good show, eh, back in the day, or Blue Dragon. Watching from the Philippines. Hey, kia ora, 6 AM. Just joined from Tasmania. What's up, my bro? I was watching Physical Asia last night, too. I ain't gonna lie, man. I feel like it's a little bit rigged, eh? Yeah, I'm not gonna lie, man. Yeah, it's giving rigged vibes, bro. But luckily, you know, for that team, they're very honest in saying, hey, something's different about this. Just chilling later. Oh, what's the order? What's the order, my bro? I'm on a calorie deficit, so I can't have it, my bro. So, yeah, flirt with me. What's the order? What's the order, my man? So I just gotta go from that side again, chat. Just checking all angles. Okay. Very challenging side, this one. But I will say, you know, not challenging enough. Just making sure everything's clean, pretty much. What's the hardest timber you've carved? Probably puriri. This piece of puriri I had was pretty hard. But then again, I think the reason why it was so hard because it was preserved there in a swamp as well. Made the most beautiful taiaha out of it though. I would have kept it, eh? Hey Nico Bell. I would have kept it if I could, my bro. You wearing Crocs? I am indeed, sir. I only carve in comfort. Luckily, health and safety don't come over. So after this too, the next section we're going to do is most likely the nose. The nose is pretty straightforward as well, nothing too crazy. Where I'm carving now, very brittle there, very. So what we'll do now is start shaping, rolling this nose over. That's the next one. Hey, Nicatude! Hope you're well, my brother. Amazing work. Thank you, Razzle the First. Okay. Let's mark this out, chat. So we're just rounding out the nose now. Hello from London. Hey, brother. Hey, Dead Legs. Checking in 5:08 p.m. I'm going to say hello and have a great day. I'll be watching you on your YouTube stream. Hey, thank you, Dead Legs. Appreciate you, my bro. Generally, I've been having a lot of fun doing the YouTube as well. Just uploading, uploading. That's the main thing I always try and focus on. Killer work, man. Thank you, brother. Okay, we're gonna do this now. Sorry, chat, just gotta get that check cut in before we start. Go. That's all round now. Ah, this is where I really need a pencil, bro. Hey, Emija, 5:09 p.m. Kia ora. Are you in Oh, that's you, Dead Legs. Cheer, my brother. Shinran Quick, did I say that right? Hello. I don't know what I've done with my pencil, chat. And this is where I need it the most too. Drawing out the nose. Instead of using a pen. One moment, just looking for a chisel. Where would I have put it, guys? Is that a reoccurring thing? Believe it or not, we are reading The Hobbit again this evening, my friend. Feel free to join in. They normally start when my wife goes to bed. I don't know when that is specifically. But yes, we do read, my bro. We're almost done with The Hobbit too. And then we will move on. Let me go and check inside one more time. The kid's pencil case might have one. K Duffman 885. Thank you very much for the Optimus Prime, my friend. I'll be back shortly. I'm just looking for a pencil. And we come back with success. Beautiful. What did you make now? Are we making a tiki, brother? What in all, first time here Thursday off, so I'm still in bed. Hey, must be nice. Welcome, Loa. Must be nice, eh? Staying in bed. Hey, what's up, Pilly Cosboy? Cheer, boy. What's up, Brooks from the Capybara Gang? Hey, Capybara Gang. Hope you're doing well, my brother. Any chance you try out Tarkov when it comes out? I actually have been wanting to try Tarkov. I won't lie. I watch Pestilli play it a lot. I mean, I'm open to it. But one thing I have a problem with, you're actually not even escaping Tarkov. Yeah, that's probably my one ick about Tarkov. You're actually not escaping Tarkov. But yeah, I'm down to give it a go. Arc Raiders is so good, eh? See, now you're making me want to play Arc Raiders tonight when I have to be reading. I mean, I could do a reading stream tomorrow. Hey, welcome, a Diplet. Arc Raiders has been fun, bro. I just love using proximity chat, eh? I'm supposed to be doing a Corsair sponsored stream soon. And I'm going to use proximity chat, like if I down someone, I'll promote the product to them. Do you want to know why I downed you? Because I got the Corsair. 70 hours worth of battery. And tell all the other settings and all that. I think it'll be a funny way to do it. I was playing it last night and I came across some character, man. He goes, because he was running around one settlement saying, anyone want to ERP? Anyone want to ERP? And then he saw me and he goes, hey, do you want to ERP? Because I had the lady avatar. And I said, and my Arthur Morgan voice, I went, the hell would I ERP with you, you weirdo? And then I blasted him in the face. You need to go outside, boy. And then I just knocked him out and carried on. Who the hell wants to do that in Arc Raiders? Then play on an RP server. Or VR chat. I can't imagine how brain rot VR chat rooms are, eh? Would prox chat be so funny? Yeah, I think we need to do a proximity chat, eh? So all I'm doing right now is just smoothing this out so it'll make it easier for us to carve it, okay? There it is. So we got our center line. We got our center line in, chat. I'll be honest, this could be narrower, eh? Way more. Let me give it the bird's eye view real quick, Chad. Good night. Good night. Good night. Good. I absolutely love watching the burnt peanut, bro. Good night. Okay, we got a little bit of excess timber. Teeny weeny little bit, okay? Let's sort that out. So what I'm making right now is called a tiki. T-I-K-I is how you spell it. I'm wondering if we clean all of this up first. Can you start to see like the general shape of the face now? Surely, eh? Just cleaning it up a bit, chat, so it looks a bit nicer. Compared to others, I'd imagine you'd have more of us than most. So my biggest country that drops in most, from what I've seen on the, what are they called, the stats thing? So it goes America, Europe, Australia, in America, Europe, Australia. Yeah, a lot of the European countries in between. I think NZ or Aotearoa was like 7th or 8th. So a lot of people from all different walks in life around the world drop in. Come say hello. I thought it'd be more, like more countries. Oh, there's heaps. I just can't remember all of them. But America, yeah, a lot of people from America watch. A lot of people. In like London and all the European countries. More Kiwis. Nah. I mean on TikTok, yeah, but still they're outshone by like America and Europe. So a bit of an international crowd that comes through to the stream, or the streams nowadays. As well, more than one platform. What kind of wood is that? This is ratama, bro. So I'm just cleaning up a little bit before we start drawing again. But yeah, we've got the general shape of the face, which is good. Alright. When you get done with this piece, do you have to sand it? No, so the way we clean these is just with a chisel. There generally is no need to use sandpaper to clean. It just creates more work. Pretty much, so like getting into all these corners and everything, that's just creating more work and wasting more time kind of thing. So it's best just to clean it with a chisel. Yeah, it's the best way to do it, my bro. There we go. Thank you for doing this. Hey, Stash maybe. Hey, Switzerland. I only know that flag because of the Swiss Superman. Me and my grandmother used to watch him all the time. She lived and breathed Wimbledon, eh? Wimbledon, rugby, and netball. Those were her jams, man. Oh, what's that? Is that not Switzerland? Well, I got my flags wrong. Sorry. Yeah, I found a pencil, bro. Thank goodness. Oh, it's just a YouTube emoji? Okay, they got me. Can you shave wood thin enough to see through? Me? Not really. But I know you can do it. Yeah, so I thought I'd clean up all the side first. Oh yeah. I thought it was so like Switzerland heart emote. Okay, let's mark this out again. Center line. Important that we keep our center lines at all times, chat. All times. We do never want to get rid of those until the end, okay? Wait, really, Imp? Is it? Wonder why. I thought everyone would be over it by now. That's how I found you. Looking forward to getting to you and your community. Hey, Dad, cuties, bro. Why wait when you can ask now? If you have any questions, my brother, feel free to ask. Something about me, I am a father of 3. I have been married to my wife for a year now. We have been together for 10 years. the one who inspired me to carve was actually my cousin. Well, I later found out he was my cousin through his streams. About 3 months later. Nah, bro, people aren't over it. As long as people, are happy about it and it puts them in a good mood, then I can't complain. Yeah, I was wondering why my YouTube channel was getting so much traction along with my Twitch channel too. It's like, what's going on? I was like, I haven't even said anything controversial. I mean, not that I would. I mean, I probably would, but it'll take me like months to figure out what to say. And at the same time, I wouldn't even know what to say. Yeah, so, well, this one, okay, story time. The way I found out this particular streamer was my cousin. Keep in mind, his Twitch name is Squirt in HD, okay? Yes, he does a lot of erotic humor too. But he's a League of Legends player. And, well, my first stream I ever watched of him, he was playing League. Every time someone followed him, he'd do the Chewbacca sounds. It was a drinking stream, actually. Let me put it up so we can never yarn. Yeah, so it was actually a drinking stream that he was doing, and every time someone followed, he'd do the Wookiee sounds. And every time someone followed or like subbed or rated, he'd do it again. And every time as I was watching, bro, I was like being mad entertained and put me in a good mood. And it was laughs all around. And it was absolutely feeding his ass off in League of Legends. If you don't know what that means, chat is like getting clapped by the other player multiple times with no rubber. But at the same time, he was having a good time. And that kind of caught my attention, like the streaming stuff. But I didn't do it. I just tuned into more streams and kept watching him. And then later on he says, oh yeah, I won't be around this weekend. I'm going back to Ruatahuna, where I'm from. And I went, hey, what do you mean Ruatahuna? That's where I'm from. Okay, we gotta wait for the Braves in an ad. Yeah, so it was a random finding that out. We'll wait for the bro to get out of his ad. Then we'll carry on. He's in ad jail right now. Yo, Lilac Summer, thank you very much for the raid over on Twitch as well. Kia ora, kia ora. Hope you had a wonderful stream. Welcome on through. My name is Brox. I am a traditional Maori woodcarver. And we are just taking a little break, but we will carry on. How was your stream? Thanks for sharing. I'm not done yet. I like your overlay. Hey, I'm trying to get in the mood, except for playing Mariah Carey. She can stay in that cave till Christmas Day. Her and Michael Bublé. Ain't no way I'm trying to hear them just yet. Okay, I'm not sure if the bro's out of his ads jail yet. But as I mentioned, my cousin that actually got me into streaming, who I later found out was my cousin. Pretty much, so he says, oh, I'm going to be away this weekend. I'm going back to Ruatahuna, where I'm from. And then I went, hold on, that's where I'm from. What do you mean? And yeah, later on, he told me who his uncle was and how he's from my hometown. And I went, holy shit, you're actually my cousin. And I have been tuning into my cousin's stream since. If I carried on my sub to him, if he didn't stop streaming, I think I'd be at 95 months sub to him. Yeah, if he didn't stop, but it's all good. Things happen. He's just living his life. He tends to stream again when he wants to. But yeah, pretty much that's how I found out he was my cousin, through the stream. And yeah, genuinely he was the one that inspired me to start streaming at some point. Yeah. But once again, welcome to the stream. This is what we're up to right now. We are carving this thing here, called a tiki. We're on the face now. So this tiki is something we've been working on for like a few streams now. And we're coming towards the end of it. The thing with tikis, they're actually not designed. But with this one, I am probably going to design it just for fun. So a tiki can represent a child. Nice Jimmy t-shirt, thank you. Got it from Team Power, shout out to them. They are in Auckland, Australia. I think they're like Fortnite. They main Fortnite. And they always send stuff over. But yeah, this is what we've been up to. What kind of design do you have in mind? I'll be honest. I don't really decide till I get to that point. Nothing's really stuck out to me as of yet. Yeah, nothing's really stuck out to me on what I want to do just yet. Yo, Blodio. Thank you very much for the brand new tier 1. Thank you, brother. Yeah, nothing, like in terms of the design, I haven't really thought of one just yet as I look at this piece now. But hopefully something comes to me here as we progress. Rufio! Hey, thank you for the Optimus Prime too, my brother. Yeah, with most tiki, they're not normally designed, but at the same time they are designed too. It's really up to the individual at the end of it all, pretty much. So I know myself, I will probably design it too. Yo, Ross H22002. Bankstown. Thank you for the Optimus Prime, brother. I never knew that it was in the heat of the moment craft. Not really, but for me, I'm a bit of a heat in the moment crafter. Because I might, so what I'm thinking is, like I want to do one design. Yeah, this is my way of thinking right now. Yeah, I'll take it out of the vice so we can see it. So how I'm thinking about this right now. Just for context too, this section will cut out as well. So as you can see, there's two different variants on this tiki here. So there's a square side and a rounder side. So you can see that this has a ridge through the middle of the arm, forearm here, the fingers and the leg. So something that I'm thinking, because you know, got two different sides, I'm thinking about doing the same design that I might do on this side, whatever side I decide to do, and on the opposite side I'll do a different one, just to give it a bit more, you know, pizzazz. Is that what I'm looking for? I forgot this is Zulaman. Hold up, let me change it. Yeah, so that's the way I'm thinking right now too. Yo, Nugs Killer G, thank you for the Optimus Prime too. Oh, we're in oh, we got a hype train going on. Yo, thanks guys. Appreciate you. We're level 2. Yeah, so I don't know how I want to do it. Like, even at the same time, I might try and do a design that's normally done on Dremels, but with a chisel. Try. So I'd probably start the design from here. Go across. Down. Even down here. And just keep it simple on this side too. And even with the face, like I was thinking of fully designing like one side of this face and just leaving the other bare for a little bit of a flair, I guess. Is that the word I'd use? I don't know. But all in all, this has been a really fun piece to do. Yeah, so normally with the tiki, they are normally in a pendant form. And stone carvers normally use pounamu, nephrite jade, greywacke riverstone known as onewa or prawa, which is whalebone. So that's it there. Yeah, these are normally in a smaller version, pendant form, and they're normally named after our ancestors. Or they used to indicate that you had a child as well. It represents fertility. You'll see these carvings in old times around gardens as well, much bigger ones, to help, you know, with fertility of the crops too. So the actual form of this whole tiki comes from a newborn baby. You know, kind of like the baby scrunch. Sometimes the heads of the tiki will be on an angle or on the side, because the baby can't hold their head up and down when they're born. So that thing comes into play too. With the fingers, to anyone that might see, why do they only have 3 fingers? So they represent birth, life, and death. Sometimes there will be a 4th finger, which represents, you know, the afterlife as well, because that's where we all go when one chapter ends. So in a sense, yeah, a lot of things like within this one particular carving as a whole. But you just soothe the soul. Hey, if you're good, man, I don't mind. Yeah, greenstone, pounamu. Yeah, so at this current moment, what we were doing now is just working on the face, getting everything nice, and I can see something that is out of place. Okay. Can you see it? Have you been to the Cape? Nah, I haven't, brother. Can anyone see it? Do we know what we're looking for? I'm judging from the silence, no one knows. Just so the brows are slightly different, that's all. Over here, curve. Here, more flat. Doesn't have a mustache. Thank you very much for the hype train, guys. So let's Let's fix that now. So we're gonna go off this side. Alright, all done. Just taking off little bits. Do you sell your carvings? I do, brother. I'll be honest, I've had a lot of interest in this one, eh? A lot of DMs, bro. And not only DMs, but also my wife is interested in it too. Because she thinks it looks cool. Let's just clean this up. Clean these brows up. There we go. The world has been restored. Balanced. Okay, so we've drawn up one side of the nose. Just drop this down a bit now. I've got to go be productive. Have a good day and night. Hey, have a good one. Have a good one. And thank you for tuning in. Good luck on the productivity. Go out there and get yours, my bro. Gift it to your wife. Nah, she won't pay for it. So I told her, can't buy a wee books for Aroha. Right, let's clean the other side of the nose up, legends. And we'll draw that side up too. Proof you're a dad. Hey, only comfort around here, my friend. Only comfort. Come in other forms. Nah, okay. Gotta get a house. When we get the house, chat, that's when we start when we start stone carving. Yes, you heard me correctly. When I have a shed and a proper setup, we will be diving into stone carving. My auntie also wants me to carve some limestone as well. Anyone carved limestone before? Yeah, my is your YouTube the same name? Pretty much, my bro. Just exclamation mark socials and it'll pop up. You can go through and give it a follow. I'm trying to get 1 subscriber a day. Would be much appreciated. Yeah, we'll be uploading our first podcast episode next week. Monday. I'm just trying to get a thumbnail done. But never carved it. Yeah, I heard it's quite easy too. Oh, it's not popping up. Hang on, I'll try. Here you go. Yeah, I've got Brox and Brox Plays. Brox Plays is just more my gaming channel. I'm not consistent enough on it. I do want to upload some clips though. It's just because I hardly ever stream games majority of the time, eh? But I'm gonna start editing all my Queenstown footage as well, since people want to see that too. I wasn't too sure if people wanted to see that, eh? Because the things I want to keep, like what I want to stick to on my YouTube channel is obviously Whakairo, but also just some IRL stuff too. IRL stuff would be fun, like when I went to LZ World Tour. It was cool to be a part of that. Like being invited alone was truly an experience. Got a brother Zach. Alright. Top of the nose. Just marking out our things, ladies and gentlemen. As long as we get it all the same, legends. Hey Viox, welcome on through, my brother. Funny the sleep in the car till the line was shorter. Yeah, bro. It was huge, bro. The line was ridiculously long. And I pretty much edited that all myself, so it wasn't the best, but it's just something I wanted to have a go at. Okay, what's throwing me off here? Something is throwing me off. Okay. Alright, let's do this nose, eh? Yep. So this is going to be some pretty straightforward cuts, okay? Let me just get the chisels that we need. If I can find the bloody thing. Alright. Like I said, pretty straightforward cuts, chat. And that's pretty much it. Now we have to do is just clean it up. Straight up and down, eh? How long does it take to finish a carving on average? Sometimes it can take, you know, maybe a month and a bit online. Offline, a matter of days. I hope you're blessed until the day you leave this earth. Thank you, brother. Yeah, not sure when that is, but when that day comes, unfortunately, chat, I can't tell you. No spoilers. How good is a 3-cut nose, eh? So you pretty much got that done in 3 cuts? Or like the main ones anyway. Thank you very much, Dream of Electric Sheep. Thank you for the 8 months, my brother. Appreciate you, appreciate you. So this is what we're gonna do now, okay? Because this nose is not done. It's just a teeny weeny something we gotta do to it. Ready? Oh, I'm using a 3. We'll be with you shortly. Sorry. Sorry, chat. I'm trying to go as fast as I can. Don't want you to think that I'm ignoring you. I'm just trying to get this done so you can kind of see the transformation. But I hope everyone's been enjoying the stream. And I want to say thank you very much as well. Genuinely, hope everyone's enjoying today. As we get all of this done. This nose is pretty straightforward, eh? Okay, let's stop. Let's stop and say hello to everybody. Okay. How long have you been doing wood carving? Since a small kid? Yeah, since I was 12, my bro. 12 years old is genuinely when I started doing Whakairo, wood carving. Introduced by my uncle back in school. Like every Friday we'd have classes outside of the normal subjects. And I just went in out of curiosity and... oh, here we are a couple years later. So I have been at it since school, and now I'm 34 years old. 91, born in 91, Whānau. Shout out to any 91ers that might be in the chat. But also at the same time too, something I found out from my uncle is that I am also on my grandfather's side, I'm also a 4th generation carver. On my grandmother's side, however, I am a 2nd. So there was a big gap in between. And yeah, I mean it too, like a big gap. Yo, what up, Dark Ace? My guy. You're 10 years older than me. Were you born in 2000s, my bro? By the way, the short I saw of you back in COVID. Like Bob Ross, but instead of painting, it's wood carving. Yeah, I used to watch a lot of Bob Ross back in the day too. I used to always be amazed how he'd like did friggin' clouds out of nothing, eh? Man of talent, that fella. But yeah, genuinely to all those that are new, that have come far and wide from whatever country you may live in, kia ora, hello. My name is Brooks. I'm a traditional Maori woodcarver and I've been at this since I was 12 years old. It is genuinely what I love to do in life. Before this, I actually wanted to try and get into the art department at Blizzard. Many moons ago. But another dream job I had as a young fella, I wanted to work in a zoo. Be a zookeeper. But then I came across Whakairo, and then my uncle kind of sat us down, gave us the history lesson on it. And from that day, yeah, pretty much my pursuit kind of changed, as you can see. And I have been at it for a wee while now. And I just hope also one thing as Brox too, people continue to chase their dreams and what they're passionate about, no matter the obstacles they may face along the way. Because I faced a few too, especially from family. A lot of people were saying I was gonna fail, but you know, as a young fella that was very opinionated back then. I may have said some words, okay? Some words. And I'm glad I'm still at it. Hey, what up, Penguin King? Work in a zoo, come to Auckland, heaps of monkeys driving around here. No. Yeah, it was either to work with red pandas or lions or any animal in general, really. So I watched a lot of David Attenborough growing up, eh? And I mean a lot, bro. See, this face is pretty straightforward, eh? All we did was cut there, cut around here, drop this down, rounded the nose, did our 3 cuts that we needed to do, and you know, dropped the top of the brow too, and yeah, that was it. Got it from Gizzy. Edinburgh, yeah, he's 100 years old, eh? 100 years old now. Absolute Giga Chat. Just cleaning up this section, Fano, and then I will be with you.
Finally got the 1 milli-channel points.
Hey, congratulations, brother. How long did it take you, my bro? Kia ora from Oz, reconnecting Maori, here I come for the vibes. Oh, are you reconnecting, my bro? If there's any way I can help, brother, fire away. Quite a hot minute. Hold them for next year, my bro. Wait, we don't have a watch time command? Yeah, I'll get back to it next year. Man, I wish my face was this shiny. So yeah, that's him. Oh, you just used them. Oh, did you? Oh, look at me trying to scroll on the laptop screen. Not the one. I didn't even see it. Hold up. Oh, there it is. Hey, cheer my bro. Okay, brother. So obviously with the Whakairo piece, brother. No, you're good, you're good. I didn't see it. With the Whakairo piece, if you've already looked into the culture, brother, and something you'd want, or you have something in mind, jump in the Discord too, my bro, and just send me a message, or send a message to, yeah, Discord be the best bet, and then we'll start having a yarn, brother. Joe Nugs. I just got my whakapapa summary from my uncle, which was cool, and my dad has all the documents. I'm only just getting into speaking it, but it's hard. Yeah, everything's hard, my bro. But the beauty of it is, my bro, that it's here for you. Good on you, brother. Kia ora from the UK. Hey, welcome to my bro. Hey, I know it's getting late in the UK, so just, you know, I just want to make sure you ain't watching at, you know, goon o'clock. Just want to make sure you're all good. Because I know it gets later around this time for the EU, okay? Oh, it's only early then. Yeah, brother. Like, Dingo, like, at this moment, do you, like, exclamation mark socials, my bro? Whatever you want is totally... Oh, really? Okay. Shit. as I look at a big piece of timber off the side there. Let me cook. I might be able to do something for you. Obviously, with your name being Dingo Ate My Baby, you're just in Australia, eh? I mean... Nick Minute. Cheer, my bro. What's up, Just? How you doing, brother? So I haven't been on RP yet, bro. I've just been too busy. Hope you haven't been ringing. I've been in RP for a little bit, but just on the cop. Oh, you're in the fucking USA. Why did you have to be there? Fuck's sake. Why is your name Dingo Ate My Baby, but you stay in America? Nothing wrong with the country, but oh jeez, we're gonna still create your piece anyway. Alright, now there is a problem. There is a problem in the form of a man with a blonde toupee. Now, he has a thing for tariffs. Obviously, he has a hard on for tariffs right now and imports. Now, I can't send anything to America till he changes that, unless it's a letter. My goal is to move there. Oh really? True. I've seen on TikTok a lot of Americans moving there. The one thing I will say, it is highly unlikely that you will be probed by an alien here, because they all like going to America. I don't know what it is about you Americans, but them, you know, the people from our planet must like your fellas' backsides a lot. Yeah, I don't know, maybe Americans just like, you know, American peach. Yeah, a lot of Americans have been moving here lately or coming for a holiday. Yeah, so, fuck, I will still create your piece, brother. I will genuinely still create your piece, but, geez, I'll have to hold on to it for a bit till Uncle changes his mind. Auction off the carvings to someone you can ship it to and donate the proceeds to an auction. But I want to give it to you to do that, so I don't have to. I'll tell you what, I'll create the piece, and hopefully by then, nah, genuinely, bro, I want you to have the piece. Like, it's not me being a fuckwit towards, you know, anything, but it's more so about pieces being with my community, most of all. So I've got 2 on the side that are ready to go to America. I'm just waiting. Can one of you just become a politician and take over and just take the tariffs out, and I'll send them straight away? I'll go to the post office next week and start asking about it again. But yeah, that's what I got told last time. They've barred imports. Uncle, what's your iwi? So I'm from Tūhoe and Te Arawa. I will, good man. While you're at it, whoever changed the settings on Steam to make it that people within the Oceanic region couldn't use their PayPals. On Steam, can you change that too? Because I missed out on the Psylocke bikini skin. And the Mantis one. I'm a male. Come on, can you blame me? Blandness. I was like, fucking bastards. And at the same time, yeah, I almost missed out on Dispatch, but I was that guy. I decided to go and get Steam cards from frickin' town. Yeah, I'll create your, yeah, we'll have a yarn for now, but genuinely I will still make it. And in the time of making it too, hopefully it changes up. Yeah, hopefully whoever changes the tariffs, I don't know, Lizard Queen, or whatever it may be. I missed out on the Psylocke skin. He said I missed out. Yeah, bro, you see the cheeks on that? Lord have mercy. Marvel Rivals knows how to market. I'd rather that skin than looking at... can Captain America in tight clothes. That's America's ass. Yeah, Dingo, we'll have a talk about it, my bro. Easy as. Variant Hutch. Wait, are you like Hutch MF variant? Like you're talking Johnny Sins variant? Thank you very much for the Optimus Prime, my friend. Appreciate you, brother. Thank you, thank you. Hold on, just doing a video. Ready? I'm trying to be more video-y. Alright, let's put us up for a bit. Is this the TikTok guy? Do you see this body doing a TikTok dance? Cause I do. How you doing, brother? What's goody? How are you, legend? Hope you're doing well. Hope you're doing well. I always think this is a gunny. Watching from the Philippines. Kia ora, brother. Can I please ask a new viewer what do your pieces symbolize? They symbolize many different things. So we have the tiki that you just saw that can represent fertility and a newborn baby. It can represent an ancestor as well. And then you have these things called popo, which I'll get for you right now. Popo are two-dimensional figures like this one here. Normally they stand right up, and these are kind of the way we portray our ancestors in the many different tribal styles we have. We have many tribes throughout the country. They don't all carve the same. They have their own specific carving style as well, but it can all represent the same thing. So you go, I'll give you a... So you'll mainly find these types of carvings, these popo, in fully carved ancestral meeting houses, and they normally stand upright like that. I'll show you another variant too. More variants than Johnny Sins. Nah, that's a lie. And then at the same time, another different tribal style here. This one? Someone's burning food. So this one here is another different style in particular. So the one I showed you, that's Te Arawa style. This one here is Mātātua. So you can see. Once again, bring it closer. So the design itself is Haihai Pakati as well. What are the main differences? Here's a characteristic for Mātātua style. Right here, the elbow normally goes straight down and straight across. That's always a characteristic that Mātātua uses, along with the whole mould of it too. See how it's quite flat? Not much timber being used. That is another one as well. Taking a look at the face. The way the face is too, so they don't do a fully round cheek, eh? It's just like stop, go back around, down. Same with the nose, sits above the lip. Right down to the mould itself. So the mould is simple, however, the design we use is one of the more intricate ones. So hai pakati, pakati hai. Then we've got a little manaia in the middle there. Mouth, eye, head and an arm. So that's him too. That's why I need to invest in a whiteboard so we can draw out all the different variants too. I love learning, man. This is neat. All good, brother. That's what I'm here for. To teach and to showcase pretty much. Whilst playing a little bit of games on the side and a little bit of IRL too. That's gorgeous. Oh, thank you. Do you use a lot of different... Yeah, majority of the time, brother. All different types of timber that I use are from the country itself. Most common one is tōtara, native red pine, and Cody. So Cody is the big one. That big piece I just showed you. Cody is a native pine as well. It's more of a white pine, which grows in the upper half of the North Island. Now we have a large Cody tree. I think it's the biggest tree in the southern hemisphere. It's called Tāne Mahuta, so it's named after our god of the forest. Big Cody tree that grows up there. I haven't seen it myself. I need to make the trip up there one day. Do you ever do bone carving? When I was younger, I did do bone carving. However, in this day and age, I don't. But it is something I want to venture into when me and my wife get a house. So once we get that, I can finally have a shed, get a proper setup going along, get that going. And then we can do evening stone carving streams as well. So there's more to our culture other than, you know, haka and Whakairo that you see through me. There's many other different things, from the language to the songs we have too, and the different art forms that we have as well. Thank you for replying. That's why I'm here, my brother. That's why I'm here. So frustrating that we suppressed the culture for so long. Yeah, you know, it's part of our history now, and you know, it's a history that people don't like teaching. I taught my kids it, especially in this day and age with the current government. They're kind of doing what they did back then, but you know, tomato, tomato. I'm just grateful that, you know, my ancestors fought in order for me to have it here today. But yeah, tomorrow is Friday, so we'll carry on doing this too. I'm just going to yarn for the last bit of the stream. I hope you don't mind. Sorry about the late start too. We were just sorting out like birthday stuff. So it was my daughter's birthday on Tuesday, but we're celebrating with the in-laws this weekend. There we go. This has been a really fun piece though. So many facets to the culture. I am ignorant. Oh, it's all good, brother. It's all good. And most of that was... Nah, you're fine, brother. You're fine. All good. Was the headpiece made from a different... No, so the head is just, you know, the grain. So it's just the grain of the timber, my bro. As you can see here. So it's all one piece of timber. So as you can see, as we go up from the bottom, not so much of a grain. And then you can start seeing it from like the neck. So you see it on this arm here. And then you start seeing all the characteristics of the timber coming out. Right there. Yeah, so yeah, all one piece of timber, my bro. But yeah, just that slight grain change, like on the outer side of the face, like over here. So in this one little section, like hugging the nose, I could carve up, but on the outsides here, I had to go down. So yeah, it's just a lot of grain reading and feeling the timber, making sure I don't huck it up, pretty much. And we'll go to from there. But it has been fun. It has been really fun. Going to sleep now, Brian. Have a good sleep, my friend. They are genuinely a lot with tiki. They're never designed. If you like, search up tiki, the word, and you'll see a lot of the old ones that have no designs on them. It's more of a modern thing, eh? Like there's some that like fully designed tiki. There's some that just prefer the old look. Hold on, chat, just cleaning up my workstation. But genuinely, chat, if anyone ever has any questions, I'll do my best to answer them all. And most of all, Faker, you probably never hear my voice, but please, I hope you give the skin to Galio. And Ona, who has made me want to be a bloody jungler too, but Galio jungle is not it. Why is that? With the designing? So, I guess from my own opinion, I feel like our ancestors back in the day, well, even before us, they couldn't really design tiki. They didn't have the tools to do so. So they kept them how they are. Hey, what up, Loki? Yeah, this is what we've done today, my bro. I've done so far, we've been working on the face. It's got it all shaped out. Pretty straight up and down face, my bro. Nothing too complicated. It's almost done. Why am I not finishing it now? So I can milk it and do it tomorrow. What would you recommend for a basic toolkit to get started? In terms of carving, make sure you can get chisels that are affordable. They are very expensive. I started off with hardware store ones. I do want to do a video though, because I saw on Temu they have chisels, and I'm keen to do a chisel review. So I think I might order some chisels off Temu and see what they're like. They could be the most bin steel of all time, or they could be good. So that's something that I want to do too. Yeah, bro, the head from the arm to the head, bro, that's some pretty immaculate green, eh? That's beautiful, bro. That's probably why I might keep the face bare, just to show that off. Yeah, just to show it off as is, because it looks bloody beautiful the way it is. And it looks like a cheesecake. Okay, that's just the big back talking in me. Just have a water and then have your lunch. Yeah, big back. So yeah, we got a few things to do. We got to get this gap out. So you see in that shoulder there, just between the shoulder and the head, there's a bit of excess timber there that we need to take out. So we'll clean that off. Once we finish doing the head, like fully molded it and designed it, then we will cut this section off here. So that little block there, I'm keeping it there just to keep strength within the carving itself, so we don't lose any of that strength while we, continuously bashing the head pretty much. But we'll just keep it as is. I think when we finish the head as a whole, I'll look over it, and that's when I'll decide if I want to design it or not. Because I'll be honest, the way it is, I like the head the way it is, just because of the grain. Just because of the grain the way it is, I don't want to, you know, design it and make it get lost in the sauce, even though it'll still show up. But I think it looks amazing the way it is now. And then we may just even design the body, or even an arm. What impulse or instincts do you trust about yourself the most? If I'm about to fart, I think about it for a minute there, just in case it feels like a follow through, or just air. Does that count? You know, you're about to do it and then you're like, hold on. Wait a minute. Too many brothers lost. Hey, you don't want to be that guy that's kissing fabric, bro. Not me, anyway. Alright, so let me just put some stuff to the side, starting with the carving. I'm probably going to shoot one more video. I had some close calls. Wee, this guy touching fabric, eh? I remember getting home and then our family was like, hey, group hug. I'm like, get the fuck out the way. Poof! Got an appointment with the toilet. Vil the Chill. Thank you very much for the 3 months as a tier 1, my brother. Thank you, my bro. And also a big thank you to those that have donated on YouTube as well. I will try and get a video done for YouTube today and Insta and TikTok. Get one cut up. It's more of a progress update and what we've been doing on here. And then we'll carry on uploading videos too. How do you display something like that? Hang it. One thing you could do, if you want to display it, I guess. One thing like there's 2 ways I would do it. Make a lashing, tie it, hang it. Or you see that flat bit there? Drill there, not too far. Put a dowel in there, wooden dowel. Create a base. Drill on the dowel and just put it on the base, brother. There. That's something else I'd do. Just from, you know, looking at it. I look up Maori tiki. Google says yeah, so normally tiki do not come in this size. Unless they're, you know, displays, pieces or anything. They're normally the size of the midsection. So probably just all of that. That's the biggest tiki I've seen. And yeah, made out of timber, stone and bone as well. Hey, how you, Vil? Cheer, brother. What's up, Genta? Did I say your name right, my bro? Yeah, so there's always gonna be like a way to display it somehow. It's just, you know, that creativity that comes out. You could even get a steel. You could even get a base, get some of those steel stands and just do hooks within the gaps. And like display it like that on an angle or something. There with a dowel. Oh, you know, just judge it. So one thing I do is just put the drill in and just mark on the drill bit how deep to go. Yeah, and then you should be sweet. Gorilla Glue is your friend. Someone might need to stand up again, something might get stuck. Okay, before we finish stream today, gentlemen, it is the unstuck hour. I want all the men to stand up right now. Come on, men. Ladies, you are totally fine. You're totally fine. You are not affected by this. You are perfect. You are amazing. Alright, men, time to stand up. Come on. Here we go. Come on, men. Stand up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, men, this is what we're going to do. Legs shoulder width apart. Right? Maybe go a bit wider. Okay, we're gonna put our hands out, squeeze. There we go. Stay there. Then we're gonna turn that way, turn that way. Okay? We're gonna stand up. 1, 2, 3. Okay, there we go. We should be unstuck now. If you don't know what the unstuck hour chat is, hours chat to all the brothers in the chat. Apparently everyone was in humid places, so what we must do as men is unstuck, okay? Sound my back made. Wait, really? I did it. We must separate the punching bag from the leg, okay? So unstuck right now. That is crazy. I'm feeling free. Hey. Damn, are we about to make this like a tradition for the brothers in the chat? Did not realise I was unstucking the boys. Fucking hell, a bunch of camels in the bloody chat today. Brothers, one must always unstuck. No one wants to see a moose's knuckle in public, okay? Save that for inside. Daughter was laughing out loud. I suddenly started moving. Sorry to your daughter, my bro. Well done, men. Group effort. Group effort. Shout out to all the brothers around the world that just, followed the movements within reason. Pat yourselves on the back. Get ready. Stream's about to finish, and what I want you to do after the stream is go to the fridge and reward yourself. Whether it be looking in there, getting a drink or something to eat, or just basically looking in the fridge for 5 minutes, closing it and grabbing nothing. Well done. There's gonna be a few that'll probably do that. Hello, Sheriff. Well done. Okay, let me put some of these to the side. Okay, I'm going to show you the carving one more time. Here it is. Here it is one more time. So we just worked on the face today. We will hopefully get that done tomorrow. And then it'll be the big cleanups after that, and thinking about what design we're going to do. There we go. Tickle the nose. Okay. Let me put this to the side. Well done, gentlemen. Thank you very much to the ladies, seeing their partners do that and tolerating it. Well done. Okay, it is almost 1:45. I do not know what I'm having for lunch. That is the next hurdle in my life that I have to think about. Okay? I don't know about yous, but what are you having? What are you having? I vote linseed oil. Yeah, I'll most likely use linseed oil, my bro. Especially on rata as well. Or you could use terps, mix it with bro wax and use that, but I definitely prefer the linseed. Jeez, everyone's playing Arc Raiders today, eh? Jeepers. Anyone play Battlefield Red Sec? I just call it Red Sec, eh? Anyone jam that? I still actually gotta get Battlefield, eh? Gonna be put me to sleep with these Zelda vibes. Dear my brother. Have you tried Midnight Beta? Yeah, I jumped on last night to check out the Haranier. I will most likely change my Orc Shaman to a Haranier. But, you know, I'm still smoking on the copium that Amani Trolls do become available. I really want to play Amani Trolls, bro, if they do, because I love the adornments that they have. Like, even their hair, too. My biggest fear that Blizzard might do with the Amani Trolls, because there's siblings leading them, just like the same hostile takeover of the race again. I just hope it doesn't go that way, because I'll be honest, man, yawn. We've seen that too many times. Also, I want to say thank you for the 481 followers over on Kick as well. Probably another sandwich. Ooh, sandwich. Bro, that actually sounds mean. This morning I had you still have the Xander. Oh, I like the Amani Trolls because they're bigger. I've always wanted the Amani Trolls in. Just the bigger, and they got the big ass mohawks and all the like the plaits and everything. Seeing their updated models, they look amazing. Is Zulaman open in the beta, bro? If it is, I might do a stream and go and explore it. I'll be keen to do that. Oh, Uncle Fred is singing today. Berserker, you want? Yeah, bro. Battlefield crashes on my PC. True. Okay. The only thing I want to play in Battlefield is the jet, eh? I want to get good on the jet plane, bro. Okay. Well, my League of Legends, that is going to be us for today. I hope you all enjoyed the stream. I want to say thank you very much for tuning in today. No idea, I was just watching beta. Oh, okay. Don't tempt me to try WoW again. I tempt you not to, okay? Don't do it. Until Midnight's released, then I want you to lose yourself in the housing. Okay? Wait till then. You will give your soul to the housing update. Because that's probably what I'm going to be doing when WoW Midnight comes out. Hey, no justice, no peace, 15. Have a great day, Brox. You too, Pili. Dilski, thank you very much. Okay, guys, I'm going to dip out for today. If I'm live tonight, I'll either, if I'm enticed by you guys to play Arc Raiders, I will. Or we will continue with The Hobbit, okay? If not, we can read tomorrow as well. We'll do a long reading stream in the evening tomorrow too, if I don't stream this evening. YouTube, thank you, man. I've really been enjoying streaming on YouTube and uploading my shorts as well. It's been cool to see everyone come through to the YouTube channel. Hey, Dome. And Kick as well. Thank you very much for holding it down. For now, yeah, GG's. I will see you all. Yeah, so I do reading streams in the evening. We've almost finished The Hobbit, so we're at the point where are we? Smog's about to go and burn down Lake Town. Yeah, so that's where we are at the moment. And hopefully we can finish it probably next week. Yeah, this week has been amazing. I've been loving the consistency from myself. You have a different gaming channel, so I've got Twitch, YouTube, and Kick, and TikTok is where I stream carving, and Brox Plays is where I put some of my gaming stuff. Yeah, I'll probably change it up a little bit there, like picture and everything. But yeah, Twitch, YouTube, Kick, TikTok, and Instagram. If you guys are on there, then if you can, give me a follow. Try and get 1 subscriber on YouTube every day, hopefully. But for now, yeah, I'm going to love and leave yous. Love yous all. Have a good sleep to those that are going to sleep. Have a good day to those that are about to start their day. Goobage, thank you very much for the follow on Kick. And to everyone else, look after yourselves. Make sure you have a dinner, breakfast, lunch, whatever it may be. And I will see you all, if not tonight, definitely tomorrow. No, Justice, thank you for the $2, man. I feel rude finishing after you donated. Yeah, I am getting off. We're finishing up. I had a bit of a late start. I do apologise. Yeah, birthday stuff. We're prepping for the in-laws. But for now, yeah, once again, peace out. Bees up. A-Town. Doot doot. Doot doot. Doot doot. Doot doot. Yeah. Alright. Goodbye. 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 Bye. Goodbye. See you later. Bye. Laters. See you next time. Bye. Goodbye. Bye. Okay, for real this time. Goodbye. Goodbye and good night. Okay, one more time for the road. Goodbye.